Thank you, my daughter. I've been very, very hungry. Thank you.
Baby, your mom. Oh, your mom. Welcome home, honey.
Oluchi, what are you doing here? How did you find me? What nonsense is this?
Baby, you know her.
Unfortunately, this is the woman that gave birth to me.
You mean your mother?
DK, why are you shouting? I haven't heard from you in a very long while. And see your house. Everywhere is so fine. Hi, DK.
You are mad.
Huh?
You're stupid. You're even sitting down. She's even sitting down on my chair. With a filthy, dirty, smelling body.
Mama, please don't be angry, okay? Just calm down and stay here. You hear? I'll be with you shortly.
Child, I'll beat you like a child because you're stupid, senseless, and dumb.
Why would you raise your hand at me?
How dare you bring that woman into my house? How dare you bring that beggar into my house? Who the hell do you think you are? Are you stupid?
She is your mother. You rightfully confirmed it.
She's my mother, and so what? She's my mother, and so what? So that's why you bring every Tom, Dick, and Harry into my house? Without asking me, without informing me?
Is that why you raised your hand at me? Is that why you beat me? Is that why you beat me? Courage. I thought I was doing the wrong thing. I thought I brought the wrong woman into this house. I thought I brought the beggar into this house. Because of the way she looks. Look how tattered, haggard, unkempt she looks. Your own mother. I know that even a maid in this house, if we were to hire one, would not look like that. Are you comfortable with it?
Yes, I'm comfortable with it. When would I be comfortable with it? Oh, because you met me now? Because you met me when I've had everything? Would you stay with me if I had nothing? These people, they left me on the street. I suffered. I strived, and now they want to come. You even kept out of my dining. Do you know I suffered? Do you know how long I suffered?
No matter what it is, courage. There is no moral justification for the way you're treating her, and I refuse to accept it.
You have no right to decide for me. You kept that woman on my dining, my expensive dining. What am I even saying? Get out of my way. So you come to my house, you sit down on my expensive dining table, you eat with my expensive plates that food, and you're eating rice and chicken, food that you never gave me as a child. All my life I sat on the floor while I ate. You guys never gave me anything good in your life, and now you think you and Dad think you can just come into my house and sit down on my expensive dining table. You lie.
DK, we gave what we had.
No. You guys were stingy, and you were not when you did not so. I'm coming. You know what? is where you will eat. On the floor! Like I always did as a child. You look at you, you're eating rice and chicken. You know what, I would have seized this chicken, but your poverty-stricken hands have already touched it. Anybody that eats this chicken now will just die of food poisoning. So eat. Stuff your belly, something you can never, ever in your life afford.